Search engine optimization. Search engine optimization, SEO, is an essential digital marketing strategy that helps businesses improve their online visibility and increase their website traffic. Here are the top 10 questions and answers about SEO. Right finger 1. What is SEO? SEO, search engine optimization, is the process of optimizing a website to improve its ranking on search engines like Google. It involves a combination of on-page and off-page tactics to improve the website's search engine visibility. Right finger 2. Why is SEO important? SEO is important because it helps businesses improve their online visibility, increase their website traffic, and generate leads and conversions. It is a cost-effective way to reach target audiences and build brand awareness. Right finger 3. What are the different types of SEO? The three main types of SEO are on-page optimization, off-page optimization, and technical optimization. On-page optimization involves optimizing the content and structure of a website, while off-page optimization involves building links to a website. Technical optimization involves improving the technical aspects of a website to make it search engine friendly. Right finger 4. What are keywords? Keywords are terms or phrases that users type into search engines to find information about a particular topic. It is essential to choose the right keywords to optimize a website for search engines. Right finger 5. How do search engines rank websites? Search engines use complex algorithms to rank websites based on various factors, including relevance, authority, and user experience. These factors include on-page optimization factors, off-page factors, and technical factors. Right finger 6. What is link building? Link building is the process of acquiring links from other websites to a website. It is an important off-page optimization tactic that helps improve a website's authority and search engine ranking. Right finger 7. What is the difference between organic search results and paid search results? Organic search results are the natural search results that appear on search engines following a user's search query. Paid search results, on the other hand, are advertising results that appear on top or bottom of organic search results. Right finger 8. What is a sitemap? A sitemap is a list of all the web pages on a website. It helps search engines crawl and index a website, which can improve a website's search engine visibility. Right finger 9. What is Google Analytics? Google Analytics is a free website analytics tool that helps businesses track their website traffic, user behavior, and online marketing performance. Right finger 10. What are the best practices for SEO? Some of the best practices for SEO include conducting keyword research, optimizing title tags and meta descriptions, creating high-quality content, building high-quality backlinks, improving website speed and usability, and monitoring your results. In conclusion, SEO is a crucial digital marketing strategy that helps businesses improve their online visibility and increase their website traffic. With the right tactics and tools, businesses can achieve higher search engine rankings, generate leads and conversions, and build brand awareness. We hope these top 10 questions and answers have helped you understand the basics of SEO. Thanks for watching.